Good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss about some other aspect of the admission of partner. Our running chapter is chapter number 4, admission of partner. So, at the time of admission, the new partner bring his share of goodwill and capital. तो अगर आप कोई भी पार्टनर को एडमिट करें तो भाई वो फ्री में तो आपके वहाँ आकर के बिजनेस में शेयर तो लेगा ना, उसके लिए आप उसको कुछ गुडविल के पैसे देने पड़ेंगे और सिंपली उसको कुछ कैपिटल कंट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा। जो अदर पार्टनर या फिर जो एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर हैं वो जो जो कैपिटल की डिमांड करेंगे आपको लेकर के आना पड़ेगा ऑन। इसलिए बोलते हैं एट द टाइम ऑफ द एडमिशन द न्यू पार्टनर ब्रिंग हिज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल एंड कैपिटल। ये तो फर्स्ट हो गया। द ओल्ड पार्टनर will sacrifice a share of their profit in his favor and thus he get the share in the future profit of the firm। भाई जब आप न्यू एडमिटिंग पार्टनर आएगा तो ओल्ड पार्टनर क्या करेंगे? ओल्ड पार्टनर विल सेक्रीफाइस हिज शेयर। जब तक वो अपना प्रॉफिट सेक्रीफाइस नहीं कर देंगे, नथिंग यू विल गेट इन द फर्म। So old partners will sacrifice the share of his profit in the favor of the admitting partners. So that's why the admitting partner will get the profit in the future profit of the firm. So now we will discuss about the accounting adjustment. So the following accounting adjustment are needed at the time of the admission of the new partner. So what are the adjustment are necessary? So student, this is the very most important step. So some steps or some calculation we have already done in the previous chapter, change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. So if you understand this concept, so you can solve the 2 or 3 chapter easily. One is the admission of partnership, and the second is retirement, and the third is the change in profit sharing ratio. So this chapter is a very most important for all the aspects or all the coming chapter in the partnership firm. So first of all, we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So in the earlier chapter, we have learned about how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So first of all, first step is you have to make the calculation. So first step is you have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio on the admission of the partner. Okay. In the second step, accounting treatment of the goodwill. So first of all, we have to, in the second step, we have to calculate and we have to make the adjustment of the goodwill, or you can say the accounting treatment of the goodwill. In the third step, the accounting treatment of the revaluation of assets and the liabilities. In the previous video, in the previous class, or you can the previous chapter, we have discussed about the revaluation account, and in the revaluation account, we have to make the revaluation of assets and the liabilities. Okay. And in the fourth step, we have to calculate the accounting treatment for the reserve and the surplus. Whatever the reserve and the surplus exist at the time of the admission of the partnership firm in the balance sheet, we have to make the adjustment for, or we have to make the accounting treatment of the reserve and surplus. Maybe the accumulated reserve, accumulated profit, or any surplus. So we will learn in the previous video how to deal with the accumulated profit and the reserve if they existed in the balance sheet. In the fifth step, the adjustment of the capital and on the basis of the new profit sharing ratio. So in the fifth step, that is the last step of the admission of the partnership firm, we have to make the adjustment of the कैपिटल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो। भाई जो न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो हम लोग कैलकुलेट करेंगे उसके बेसिस पे सभी पार्टनर इंक्लूडिंग एडमिटिंग पार्टनर वी हैव टू मेक द एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ द कैपिटल। इफ देयर इज एनी पार्टनर carry the excess capital, they will take to home, and if there is any deficit in the any particular partner, they will bring the capital as per the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, students. So one by one we will discuss all these topics. So now our topic is first step we will take here, calculation of the new profit sharing ratio. So there are various cases or the various situation may be arises. In the question, there may be problem given on the basis of the various cases. So case first we have taken here, when only the ratio of the new partner is given in the question, यानी कि जो न्यू पार्टनर है उसका सिर्फ रेशियो हमें पता है कि कितना रेशियो उसको शेयर मिलने वाला प्रॉफिट से, ठीक है। देन इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ द एनी अदर एग्रीमेंट, यानी कि कोई भी उसके विषय में कोई जानकारी नहीं दी गई है, इट इज प्रिज्यूम दैट द ओल्ड पार्टनर विल कंटिन्यू टू द शेयर द रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट इन द सेम रेशियो इन विच दे वेयर शेयरिंग बिफोर द एडमिशन ऑफ द पार्टनर। यानी कि अगर कोई हमें और जानकारी जो अदर इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दिया गया है, उस कंडीशन में वी विल कंसिडर दैट द ओल्ड पार्टनर विल शेयर द रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट, यानी कि रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट जो एडमिटिंग पार्टनर को देने के बाद जो रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट जो बचेगा उसको जो ओल्ड पार्टनर है ओल्ड शेयरिंग रेशियो में, यानी कि जो ओल्ड शेयर है उसी रेशियो में वो लोग आगे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे। तो ये हो गया हम लोग का केस नंबर 1। So now we will solve the problem on the basis of the first case. Okay. So in the coming video we will solve the practical question based on the calculation of the new profit sharing ratio. We will take the various cases and solve the problem on the basis of the profit sharing ratio. Okay, students. So I hope you got the question, got the topic and understand all these concepts regarding the admission of the partnership firm. Okay, thank you.